everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Oh, I can't believe it. It's been so long. We're doing ribs today. It's been so long. The winter has been pretty, I'm in Arizona, it's warm, but it's been very cold and rainy, just unusual. So today's sunny, about 68, 69 degrees and just super sunny. So I'm getting outside and I'm doing ribs. So I got 3 racks of ribs. I got 1 rack of spare ribs, 2 racks of baby back ribs. We're also going to be incorporating some bacon in there, so you're not going to want to miss that. And this is a huge collaboration with a bunch of really awesome YouTube channels. I mean, like some all-stars and stuff. It's going to be called Freedom Ribs, hashtag Freedom Ribs. And it's actually brought to you guys and to me by a guy named Scott. And actually his information will be in the description below. Really cool guy, really like him, consider him, a friend and everything. So you can check out all these videos. Just go to YouTube, type in hashtag Freedom Ribs, and it'll bring up all the people that are in the collaboration. I'm gonna try to get as many of those people's information in the description below. But yeah, we're gonna smoke these things. We're looking at anywhere from probably a 5 or 6 hour smoke, and it's gonna be phenomenal. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, this is what we got. Here's our 3 racks of ribs. Over here I have the spare ribs. It was a whole pack of spare ribs. I cut it down to St. Louis style. As you can see, cut all the extra stuff off. I got 2 baby back ribs over here. They're actually pretty decent looking. Now, real quick, on the back of these, there is a membrane that you want to take off. Now, I've already taken all the membranes off of all these. If you want to know how to do that, there will be a video in the iCard. It'll be the very first video, and it'll show you how to take the membrane off the back of these. And that's it. You take the membrane off, you rinse them off with some cold water, and after that, you should just go ahead and, I'm not going to use a binder or anything. Then you just go ahead and then season them up. All right. We're going to be using some butt rub on one of them. We're also going to be using some Rich's River Dirt, hot and spicy, on one of them. And then, I'm really excited about this one. I haven't done it on ribs yet, waiting, but it's the honey chipotle rub, Heath Royale stuff. So each one of these will get a different rub, and we'll test it out. So let's go ahead and get these things seasoned up. Seasoned up. Now we're going to go ahead and just stick them on what I got here. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get the coals lit. I'm actually going to let these sit out here for probably about 20-30 minutes and let the juices start tacking up. And the next time you see me, we'll be out by the pit when we're ready to throw these things on. See you then. Alright guys, this is how I got my setup. Alright, so I got a whole bunch of coals right down here in the middle. I put about a half of a chimney in the back, just so that'll give me some heat right off the bat, and it's going to slowly burn over to give me just a little more, a longer burn. I got some hickory and some cherry that I'll be smoking with. I'm going to go ahead and throw the hickory on there. Throw the cherry on there, and I'm going to let that catch, give that about 10 minutes or so, and once that catches, we'll bring the pit up to temperature and we'll throw our ribs on. Alright guys, we got the wood burning. It's been about 10 minutes or so, and we got a nice flame on there. We're going to go ahead and shut the firebox. We'll leave the damper open right now. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and here's the pit. We'll drop this for you. And once the pit reaches between 225 and 250 degrees, which shouldn't take about 20 minutes or so, we'll go ahead and throw our ribs on. Hey guys, this is going to be an amazing cook, and make sure to check out hashtag Freedom Ribs. And actually, Scott, the guy's bringing it to us, is actually, the name of his channel is the Real Show BBQ. His link will be in the description below, but it is a nice sunny day, and this is going to be freaking phenomenal. Got another 15 minutes for this pit to come up to temperature, and we'll see you when we're putting these ribs on. All right, guys, we got the pit up to temperature. It was sitting at 225. I got 2 racks on. I'm gonna throw one more rack on here for you. Just like that. All right, we're good. We got our 3 racks of ribs on. We'll be smoking about 225 to 250 degrees. This is probably gonna be about 5 or 6 hour smoke using hickory and cherry. We're gonna go ahead and drop the top here. All right, that is dropped, and we'll see you probably in a couple hours. All right, guys, we are 2 hours in, and we're gonna go ahead and check on these ribs. Let's see what they look like. What's going on? And those are looking amazing. All right, so what I got is some apple cider vinegar and some water, half and half. Excuse, there's a plane going by, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and spritz these up. All right, we're good there. We're gonna go ahead and rotate these actually also. Those are looking really, really good, guys. Absolutely amazing. See you in another hour. All right, guys, we are 3 hours in, and let's see what we got. That is looking phenomenal. The bark is nice, and everything's good. So what I'm gonna do is give it a quick spritz with the apple cider vinegar and throw some bacon on it. We got thick cuts of peppered bacon. All right, so there we go. Our bacon is on. So we'll bring it back in probably a couple hours and show you what it's looking like. All right, guys, we are 5 hours in. Let's take a look and see what this bacon did. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, this is what we ended up with. I got baby back, and spare. So we're going to make this really, really simple. Alright, we're going to flip it over. We're going to cut right down the middle. Alright, and then we got the spares. I'm going to set this to the side real quick. So we got 3 of those. And all the spares. Oh man. Over here, I'm gonna set these right over on the mat. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Alright, I'm finished. 6 hour smoke, a little bit of bacon, some smoke, some awesome stuff. And I mean, this is what we ended up with. I mean, well, I already tasted them. But anyway, there you go. Let's see if we can, there you go. A little bit of a smoke ring. Sauce is set good. Just a very amazing rib. And, like I said, I tasted them, but I gotta taste them again. Hey, you should get that. That's off the bone. I really appreciate you guys. Now, this is hashtag freedomribs. Brought to you by Scott over at the Real Show BBQ. So everybody's information is going to be in the description below. You know, just make sure to check their channels out and how they did on their ribs. You know, if you're interested in finding out. I got a lot of ribs to eat, and I got some hungry neighbors as well. So we're going to divvy these things up. And thank you so much, everybody. And remember, hashtag freedomribs. With that being said, We'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.